Lots of things to do there. We will enjoy.
How's your feeling today?
So good. Today is a nice day. Sunny.
Is it your first time to visit the Seoul
Yes,
Forest?
yes, it is the first time, and I'm so excited.
What's your plan?
Let's go there. Actually, it's the first time, so not sure what we can do there. But I'm so excited. I take some photos. I googled it. Seems so beautiful.
Let's
So
go.
yeah, let's go. Oh, let's go. Hey! Again, we're riding bike. So fun. Enjoy the nature, sun, everything around. Life is short. Let's just enjoy. Yes.
What about money?
Do your best for your life. Plan on yourself. And your life. Don't waste time. Work, enjoy, and do your best. This is the best. Yeah, this is what I think about life.
You look happy. Are you enjoying your life now?
Yes, always I try to be happy. Happiness is a gift. Don't let anything or anyone take it from you. This is what I always tell myself. So, there are many good people and good things to do in this life. Let's enjoy. Again, I made it. La, 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 la. I want to tell everyone fighting. Fighting! Fighting! Since there is a road here, you shouldn't ride bike, you should walk on the bridge. But the bridge is beautiful. The pointing to slide.
I'm sure there is an alligator. It is, you know.
Really?
Could be.
Let me fight with that. That's nature. What I love. I just saw a deer over there. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Hey! Wow. Oh, 1, 2, 3, about 4 of them. So beautiful. Their eyes are awesome. Seems there are a lot of them. Look at there. Is it their lunchtime?
No, it's over.
I haven't had lunch. Can I eat? The lunchtime, maybe. I heard a story about deers and tigers. You know, they're both fast, but why deers are hunted? It is said that it is always impossible that a tiger can catch a deer, except when the deer just looks back to check whether the tiger is coming or not. At that moment, the speed will be lower, so the tiger can catch the deer. What does it mean? It means that in our lives, we shouldn't turn back. We shouldn't look at our past. We should only focus on present and future. So this is what we get from this story. I like it so much. Now here there are a lot of deers and I just remember that. Snack time.
그만해야지. 그만해야지. 그만하라고. 그만하라고.
그만해라 해.